A very good morning to you all, children. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, in last video, what did we study? Yes, we studied about we came to know about the crocodile, right? Yes, how does it eats and what are the features of the crocodile? How it makes a trap for other animals to come. Yes, to come so that it can eat. Yes, and also we saw that there is a story in the lesson, right? Yeah, what was the story, children? Yes, what was the first of all, what is the lesson name of the story? What was the name of the lesson? A crocodile in the school, right? Yes. So, what was the name of the lesson? Yeah, a crocodile in the school. Yes, students. So, what happened? Yeah, there was a classroom. We discussed there was a classroom. There were many students in the classroom. Yeah, you can imagine, right? When you were going to the school, there will be many students in the classroom. Yeah, even the teacher will be present in the classroom. Yeah, she'll be teaching you something or the other. Yeah, here also the same thing. There was a teacher. What was the teacher's name? Miss Rupali. What was the name of the teacher? Miss Rupali. Rupali. Yes. So, what the students were doing, what the pupils were doing, the pupils were listening to the teacher very carefully. Yes, they were listening to the teacher very carefully, children. Yeah, even you listen to the class, right? Very carefully. Yeah, when you open the video, you will listen it very carefully, right? Yes. Like that only, here also the children were listening to the class very carefully. Yeah, and what happened at the next time? Yeah, what happened? The peon came running to the class. Why did the peon came? Yeah, why did he came? Yeah, he came and said that there is a small green crocodile in the school, he said. Yes, what did he say? There is a crocodile in the school. Yes, let's see till here. So much we learned in the last video, right? Yes, now let's see what happened in the school. Did the real crocodile came? Did it ate anyone? Or did any students get scared of the crocodile and they ran away? Let's see what happened in the further lesson. Yes, we were speaking about the crocodile in the school, right, children? Yeah, it came in the school, it seems. Let's see what happened, okay? Yes, he came and said, right? The peon came, ran, and said that there is a crocodile in the school. Yeah, so what happened next means, what? Where is it? Miss Rupali asked him. So, what the Rupali ma'am asked him? She also got shocked how the crocodile may come in the school. So, what? Where is it? Miss Rupali asked him. She asked to the peon, where is the crocodile? It is in the lawn, it said. What is it? It's in a lawn. The peon says. What is the lawn here, children? The short grass. Yeah? Where the short grasses are grown, the place is called as a lawn. What? Here you can see. Yeah, there are small grasses, right? Yeah, that grass where it is grown is called as a lawn. Let's go out and see, Miss Rupali says. So, what she says, come, let's go out and see what had happened there. Yeah, so all the childrens followed her. Yes, what happened? All the children went back of her. Look here, when the miss is going out, all the children started to getting up from their places and they started running back of miss. Yes. Oh, it's a toy. Oh, what happened, children, here? Yes, she went and saw that it was just a toy, children. All got very scared that the real crocodile had come. Yeah? Oh, it's a toy crocodile. So it says, it's a toy crocodile. Miss Rupali says, picking up the toy crocodile, and all the children laughed at the peon foolishness. Yes, what happened here means the miss says it's a toy crocodile, and what she does, she lifts up the crocodile in her hand. Yeah, you can see here she's lifting up the crocodile in her hand, and she's saying it's a toy crocodile. And all the children's, look here, all the children's are, what they are doing? They are laughing. Look, the girl is keeping her hand on her mouth and laughing right here. Yeah, she started laughing at the peon because he was got afraid and he did foolishness. Yeah? Yes. Now what happened next? Yeah, now Miss Rupali, what she did? Whose toy is this? Miss Rupali says angrily. Yeah, what she says? Whose toy is this? She says it angrily, children. Yeah? Yes, and then the Gaurav shakes his head and says, Ma'am, it's mine. I am sorry. I shouldn't bring it to the school. So, what did he say? The Gaurav, this boy is there, right? He said, shaking his head and said, It's mine, ma'am, it said. And he asked sorry to the ma'am. Yeah, and even he says it should not be, yeah, it should not bring to the class. I should not bring to the class, it said. Because the toys, if we bring to the class, what will happen, children? We will get distraction, right? Yes, we'll get distract from the class. We'll go and see the toys again and again. Yeah, we'll be going and seeing the toys again and again because it gets our attention towards it. We'll give our attention only to the toy. For that sake, we should not take any of the toys to the school. Yes? Yeah. So what did the Gaurav said? It's all right, Gaurav. Yeah? He accepted his mistake, right? He said, It's my mistake, ma'am. I'm sorry. He apologized. Yes? He asked sorry for the teacher for bringing the toy to the school. Yeah? He brought the toy for that sake only. The peon got scared, and all the students also got scared. They all came out with the teacher. Look how much of mess it became in the school. Yes, for that sake only, we should not take any of the toy to the school, children, okay? We should keep in our house itself and we should play with that whenever you get the free time. Yeah, so what did the Miss Rupali says? It's all right, Gaurav. Do not do it again, Miss Rupali says. So what she says? Do not do this again. It's all right for the first time, it's all right. Then again, you should not do the same mistake. Yeah, you should not bring the toy to the school again and again. You should keep in the house and play with it, she says to the Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav takes the toy back to him and he goes to the home and never brings the toy again to the school. Yes, children, you should also not play with the toys when the online classes are going, or else when you're watching the videos, Your all the concentration should be on the video itself. Yes, you should not get distracted towards the toy when you are sitting for the studying. Yes, children? Yeah. Now, what is your work means? You should listen to your parents and read the lesson with the help of them. Yeah, read it again and again, children. Yeah, I have said the meanings also. The two meanings I have said, right? The first one is pupils. Pupils means students. And the other one is lawn. Lawn means short grasses which are grown on the ground. Yeah, we can sit upon it and also we can play on it. Yes? Yes, children. So this lesson also will complete. So what is your work means you have to read the lesson. Yeah, and also you should collect the worksheets and answer sheets from the school. Yes, you come and collect it from the school. Yes, okay, children. So let us meet in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care. Happy learning, children.